In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Calendly link in Google Forms. If you collect information with Google Forms and also need people to book time with you, adding your Calendly link directly into the form creates a smooth, professional experience. We'll walk through grabbing the right Calendly link and placing it neatly inside your form so respondents can schedule without confusion. First, sign into your Calendly account in a desktop browser. Make sure you're in the correct account or workspace, especially if you manage multiple calendars. In Calendly, choose the specific event type you want people to book, such as a brief consultation or a 30-minute call. Using the event-specific link ensures people land on the exact booking page you intend, rather than a general profile with multiple options. Open that event type, look for the Share option, and copy the Share link. This is the URL you will add to your form. Next, open the Google form you're working on. You can go to forms.google.com or open it from your Google Drive. Confirm you have edit access so you can make changes. Once your form is open, add a new question. This will act as the place where people see the scheduling prompt. Give the question a simple, clear title such as book a meeting or schedule your appointment, so respondents immediately understand what to do. Inside that question, type a short descriptive line that invites action like, click here to schedule your appointment. Avoid pasting the full Calendly URL as your text because long links look messy and can be harder to read. Instead, highlight the descriptive phrase you just typed. In the formatting toolbar, click the Insert Link icon, which looks like a small chain link. Paste your Calendly URL into the link field and apply it. You'll now see that your descriptive text is clickable, linking directly to your Calendly booking page. This approach keeps your form clean and user-friendly, and it guides respondents to the right place with fewer distractions. Clear link text improves accessibility and helps people understand exactly what will happen when they click. By linking to a specific event type, you eliminate guesswork and save everyone time. That's all you need to do. You've logged into Calendly, copied the correct event link, opened your Google form, added a question, and inserted a clear, clickable link. Now your respondents can easily schedule time with you right from your form, keeping your process simple, professional, and efficient.